word about our unusual philosophy. We think that the application of knowledge and insight is hugely important in the transformation process. As a very carefully screened group of never more than 150 board-level independents who incidentally never want a board post again, independence and thus the ability to speak truth to power is beyond rubies in complex change, at divisional level or across whole organizations. In 13 years so far, only one of our members was finally persuaded to take up an employed board sales director role, and he is so effective that he's now the MD of that organization, which is a multi-million pound company, which is part of a €6 billion conglomerate. Our members are polymaths. They know a huge amount in very considerable depth in a large number of different fields. As a collective, we have something like 10,000 linkages of trust all over the world and about 4,000 years of very serious management experience. We love helping to transform performance. Making a real difference is all of our passion. This event today is just one example of what we like to create together to help our members and clients learn together about the underlying structures of particular markets and thus where fast transformation is imperative. Penny Thompson CBE, who stood here last year, our client as MD of the General Social Care Council, the social workers regulator, and now Chief Executive of Brighton and Hove, kindly allowed us to broadcast her great address last year on our website, and by all means do have a look, along with other remarkable, insightful addresses and videos from other events that we've held. On this occasion today, energy in the UK is such a sensitive subject that this event is run to the Chatham House Rule, the place up the road from here. Our full programme and event dates by our members with special top client speaker guests for 2014 is soon to be published on our website. For those invited to come today and see what we do, if you consider yourself a great independent transformation leader, do contact me after the event for a more detailed chat. So, a warm welcome to another full house, to learn, to make valuable new friends, and to help us celebrate the end of our 13th year.